My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel passage, we heard about a number of things. We heard about temptations, we heard about scandal, we heard about forgiveness, and we heard about faith. And all these, in a way, are interconnected. It's part of ourselves. Faith, what is faith? I'm sure you heard about it in the catechism, and as you grow up, we say, I believe after I see. But Jesus tells us faith is believing even before seeing. He told Thomas after he appeared to him, blessed are those who have not seen and yet believe. And what kind of faith do we require? Jesus says, as small as a mustard seed. You know, mustard seed is a very tiny seed. If you have that faith, he says, you can ask whatever you require, and you can do what you want, it says, with faith, and it will happen. And this reminds me of a lady who read this passage and said, outside the window there was a huge hill. And he said, I have faith in God, and I will tell this small hill to uproot and go into a sea. And so before she went to bed, she said, hill, I command you, by tomorrow morning, I want to see you in that sea, there says. So with that, she went to sleep, and that morning, next morning, she got up very early, opened the window, and the hill was right there itself, still there. And she said to herself, I knew you will not move. It may sound absurd, but you can imagine what faith she had. This speaks about forgiveness, which is part of our life. People, if you ask doctors the cause for many of sicknesses, we call them psychosomatic. So one of the causes is this mental sickness, mental stress, anger, revenge, hurt feeling. And the more you keep it within ourselves, we get mentally tormented, and it leads to like diabetes, it leads to sugar, you get depression, it also leads to heart attack. So what's the best thing to do to avoid all sicknesses? Forgive.